Now let me tell you how to level this 3D printer, depending on the position of the level. To measure the horizontal state of each point, I just need to make sure that the points are level. That's it. So next, let's demonstrate. We put the level in this position. Check whether the level is balanced. If you lean to one side, then I need to adjust the wheels on both sides. My level is tilted to the right. We need to raise the right wheel or lower the left wheel. Turn this gear to the right to raise the right wheel. Don't twist the right wheel to the limit. When it is almost done, we can lower the left wheel to achieve balance. At this point, our level has reached the midpoint and is almost adjusted. Then we screw the middle wheel to the appropriate height. Next, I will demonstrate how to adjust the side level. The rear is too high, so we just need to adjust the rear wheels. Other points can be adjusted in the same way.